Hey monkey, I'm going to teach you how to load the big excavator on the Landoll and unload it. See, you got your boom up and down. Got your bucket in and out. Over here you got your turntable. And then you got your stick in and out. You got your pedals for your tracks, left and right, forward, back, you know. We got it going backwards. Let's see how bad we can mess this up, man. Get up there nice and easy. You want to keep it lined up. Second board. A little difficult going in. Get it. Use your feet. Use your feet. Nice and easy. Get ready for the tip. Oh, there we go. Keep it going. It'll stick back. A little to the right. Gotta fix that. Get on there. Let's see, almost. Look at that, just like ice cream. Get that bucket in. We don't hit that power line. Oh, almost forgot a special button. Look at that one. Makes the thumb open and close. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Now let's get this thing back on here. Alright, wash that power line, curl our bucket in, bring the stick in. We're going to do them all the way up and we'll go to the left since there's a power line to our right. Straight back here until we get to the point we need to go. Let's see where we're at. Check the front again. Looks like it drifted off. Just a little bit. Good. Put it down. Nice and straight. So our stick and bucket are all the way curled in. Set her down right on that rough spot of the plate. Tell us we're right in perfect line. And go back a little bit. Right there. Boom. Smooth as butter. Alright, I'll be back with you when we unload it, monkey. Love you, man. Monkey, we got her loaded up. Got her chained down all four corners. Flags on both sides. Middle one, make DOT happy. bucket chain down. Sign it. DOT certified screwdriver. Keep our license plate from being hidden. Alright, Monkey, we've arrived. About to untie this thing and get her unloaded. That burnt down trailer won't get smashed up. Another couple weeks of work, hopefully. Let's get to it. Don't forget to turn off the trailer magnet. Alright, Monkey, time to unload this thing. Hopefully we don't tip off. Just kidding. Nice and easy, just like going on. This time we got some asphalt to deal with, but it's no big deal. Our buckets down so we can catch it and go over the ramp. Walk our bucket in. Track. Start letting it down now. Asphalt, you want to make sure you don't just turn with the tracks or else you'll tear it up, especially top coat. We'll get down here and then we'll do a nice neat little trick. Slide the tracks over without any bunch of weight on them. Hopefully I can catch it on camera. Look in the mirror, make sure the cars are coming. Looks like we're clear. What we want to do is we're going to put our bucket down and let the tracks up just a little bit. And then we'll push one track forward and one track back as we turn the turntable in the opposite direction we want it to swing. So we lift this up, and then we'll turn the turntable left like this. That'll get us closer to where we need to go. Let this lady walk past.
Come on! Come on! Oh, for the love of God, how much longer?
Anyways, like we were doing, go up here, do that one more time. So we get over that way. So we don't break that concrete, get right up to it, put our bucket out, lift it up, and then drag it forward, try and keep as much set it down. break it, but just in case. And we're done. Get some more videos for you so you can see what Daddy's doing at work when I can't take you with me. Love you, monkey. Bye. Hope you have a good day.